Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger steering wheel. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment during the removal process. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes for any residual power to dissipate. Finally, make sure your front wheels are perfectly straight before you begin. Next, we'll remove the airbag module. Look for two small access holes on the sides of the steering wheel. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag module forward. Carefully disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the module, then set it aside safely. Now, let's remove the steering wheel itself. First, disconnect any other electrical connectors that might be visible behind where the airbag was. Then, use a socket wrench to loosen and remove the large center nut holding the wheel in place. Before pulling, mark the steering wheel's position on the shaft for easier reinstallation. With the nut off, firmly pull the steering wheel straight towards you to remove it. When you're ready to reinstall, align the steering wheel with the mark you made on the steering shaft. This ensures your wheel is straight. Reinstall the large center nut, tightening it securely to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Reconnect all electrical connectors, including those for the airbag module. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test all steering wheel functions to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.